Greetings. Just wanted to do a quick post-road trip Sitrep here on my car. So on my way back, I noticed that I was a little over voltage. I know I had my warnings about the cheap alternator, and yeah, voltage regulator shot. I was around 14.9 to 15.2. So anyway, I have the cheap alternator at the alternator shop. I have a Vallejo actually coming today, so I'm kind of in the middle of alternator heart surgery, but that's the worst of it. I'm in the middle of an oil change, so I have my top off oil down here because I put some mileage on the car, and it was hard miles. So I'll just go over some of that. All right, so I started a gas log, and then I got, I don't know, bored with it. So my total miles on this trip was 2,349. I had said 2,500, and I was not far off. And I had at least two gas logs, so driving on I-75, one was 22.7 miles per gallon, and one was 23.4. So not bad. I'd even attempt the mountain driving because, well, we don't even want to go there. So, but I'm none worse for wear. Car ran great, no issues with the alternator piece. I have my battery disconnected, obviously doing the job, and then I cleaned the ground up in here. I checked the ground on the bottom of the car, but I didn't jack it up, but I'll check that ground too, because that could cause the voltage regulator to have some problems. But more than likely, it's just because they're cheap. All right, so then the other thing is my tires. So here's the edges here. So I think I put some wear on them, just all those mountain roads. So these are the Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02s that I bought from Tire Rack with a coupon. They were like 400 bucks. What can you go wrong? Yeah, so I put some edge wear on there, but I'm in Florida, so it'll catch up. The rest of the wear will catch up in the middle to the edges. Unfortunately, that's my driving environment. So, yeah, a little summary of the trip. And a few things I'm going to do is I have the LED lights. I talked about lighting just to be visible to the bros behind you on these group rides. And for whatever reason, the bulbs and the side marker, I don't know, they're kind of wonky. So I ordered the Spokeworks LED for just those. I didn't do the turn signal yet because I have to figure out the flasher, but I'll get those because those kind of go out and then I move them around and they go back in. So I had to do that on my trip because I didn't want any issues with local law enforcement, although they probably wouldn't notice that. But I like to be on level if I'm on the road trip. So yeah, I'll just leave it at that. So oil change and alternator voltage regulator and 2,300 miles. Great time, and I always say not a bad mile driven, and after 2,300 miles, everyone was enjoyable. So hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, some of these other ones, get out there and drive. If you DIY, you control your own destiny. Later.